Creating a custom battery chart like this. First, create the data for the blank area. If the data is 85%, the blank area should be 15%. Therefore, you need to subtract the data percentage from 100%. And add a percentage column to allocate space for the label. I will set 30%. Create top area space. I will set 10% for top area. We'll also allocate 10% for the bottom layer, just like the top layer. Create a 3D stacked column chart. Click Switch Row and Column. Select a bar and right-click, choose Format Data Series. Change gap depth is 0% and gap width is 40%.
Maybe if we take our time, we can reach the
Choose Cylinder.
Give me the word, I'll say it. Look at the mess you're making.
Select Column Label and right-click Format Axis. Maximum column label is 150%, so I will change maximum is 1.5. Uncheck Chart Title, Grid Lines, and Primary Vertical. Select the chart, right-click, and choose Select Data. Move the bottom area to the top. The label area will be placed below the bottom area. Change the color for top area. Choose white color. Bottom area is gray. Label area is white. Blank area is also white. Set 70% for transparency.
Falling for you every time. Falling in the worst way. You give all my favorite colors.
Score area is transparency 20%. Now, our chart is look good. We need to change the color for each data bar. Now, we add a data label like this. This is wrong label, so we need to change score column. Check value from cell. And select B2 to B6. Uncheck value.
Maybe if we take our time, we can reach the finish
Now,
line.
data label is correct.
Give me the word, I'll say
We need to
it, look
change
at
font
the
design
mess you're
and font
making.
size.
A new meaning. Remember that time that I caught you laughing at words I didn't mean to say.
We'll match the font color with the chart color. Please continue watching the upcoming steps as a bonus. I am striving to achieve monetization for this channel, so please subscribe. Thanks you. See you next video.
Colors. A new meaning. Remember that time that I caught you laughing at words I didn't mean to say. Maybe if we take our time, we can reach the finish line. Maybe if we take our time. Give me the word, I'll say it. Look at the mess you're making. A new meaning. Remember that time that I caught you laughing at words I didn't